All right, boys and girls, so this week we're going to finish our Change the World art project. You should have your cutout hand from last week, okay? If you didn't cut out your hand from last week, go ahead and do that before continuing on with this video. If you don't have scissors at home, in the middle of this video, I'll show you what to do with just your hand that's on the paper, okay? I have a solution for that too. So just, you can fast forward this video if you want to, or you can just watch all the way through to see. So you need scissors, pencil, glue stick or tape, and a blue and green crayon, okay? And the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put our hand that we cut out, we're gonna put it in the middle of a piece of paper. Put it in the middle because we wanna have lots of space all around it. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna hold it in place with one hand and we're gonna carefully make a circle around our hand. Notice I'm taking my time. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle, okay? And it's gonna be a pretty big circle. It might end up looking more like an oval, that's okay. This is gonna be our earth, okay? And then you're gonna move the hand away. And you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna use some curved lines to draw the different continents that are on the earth, okay? It can kind of just be any shape you want, really. If you want to get super specific, you can. We're just trying to make it look like a globe or an earth, or the earth, I mean. Okay, so now this is our land and this is our ocean, so I'm gonna use my green crayon to color in the land. Okay, and now I'm gonna use my blue to finish the rest, color in the water part of the earth. All right, so now I have my colored earth. I'm going to use my scissors if you have them. If you have scissors, okay. And I'm going to, remember, your thumb goes on the top. Your thumb is the boss, and you use your hand that's not cutting to steer. I'm going to cut out my earth. Clean up after myself, throw the trash away. And now I'm going to use my glue stick. I have to turn it up a little bit. I'm going to turn my hand over because I want to put the glue on the side that doesn't have my, my message for how I want to change the world on it. Okay, we always put glue on the other side, and then I'm going to carefully place it in the middle of my earth. So make sure all the fingers are on it, and then I'm going to rub each finger, smooth it out. I'm going to turn it over and rub the back side so the glue can really grab all the edges. Okay, and there you have it. Okay, my finished How to Change the World project. This finger's popping up a little bit, so I'm going to put a little bit more glue on the back, and I'm going to press it down again. Okay, I want to make sure none of the fingers are peeling up. All right, and this is what you're going to share with me in the lesson this week. Now, if you do not have scissors at home, it's okay. So if this is what your hand looks like because you didn't cut it out, you're still going to go ahead and you're going to draw that circle around it. Okay, and then you're going to go ahead and you're going to draw some different parts that show where the grass is, or the land rather, of the earth. Okay, something like that. And then you're going to take your green crayon and color in the continents. And I'm going to use my blue to color in the rest. Remember, we're not coloring inside the hand. Okay, so not having scissors makes it a little bit trickier because you have to be more careful going around the different curves. Okay, but it's definitely something that we can work around. Not a big deal, okay? So if you didn't have scissors, you can still make a project that looks almost exactly like the one I made using scissors. All right, and that's it, okay? So you can see the difference. If you have scissors and if you don't have scissors, okay? And they're both perfectly fine. Remember, if you used glue, turn down your glue stick before you click the lid on top, and make sure you clean up after yourself with all of your supplies.